Quick question. Have you ever lost your favorite stamp or found you're missing a stencil only to find it weeks later under a stack of moved stencils? If that sounds familiar, you are not alone and you are going to love today's video. I'm walking you through the ultimate guide to Altenew's storage pockets, including our brand new sizes. Whether you are organizing stamps, dies, stencils, or embellishments, there's a pocket that's perfect for your craft room. Let's dive in and find your perfect fit. Let's start with a side-by-side comparison so you can see the full range at a glance. 9 by 11.5 storage pockets. These large pockets are specifically designed to hold 8.5 by 11 inches cardstock, but can also be used for storing almost any Altenew stamp sets, die sets, stencils, and embossing folders. 7.5 by 10.75 storage pockets. While these are designed to hold our Craft Your Life project kits, you can definitely store almost any Altenew stamps, dies, stencils, embossing folders in these pockets. Anything you want, really, even your scraps. New 4.5 by 6 storage pockets. Our new storage pocket sizes will almost complete all the sizes needed to organize our products. This size is perfect for storing die cuts, masks for your stamps, stencils, scrap paper, and even embellishments. I personally love this for my paint a flower stamps. The new 6.5 by 8.5 storage pockets. Store your favorite embossing folders and stencils with these perfectly sized pockets. Whether you are a minimalist or a stash queen, there's a storage pocket that'll work beautifully with your supplies. Let's break it down by category to make choosing even easier. For stamp sets, use the 7.5 by 10.75 storage pockets for regular 6 by 8 Altenew stamps. Use the 9 by 11.5 storage pockets for our large anniversary stamps. Use the 4.5 by 6 storage pockets for mini stamp and die sets and for our Mini Delight series. For dies, most of our storage pockets fit most dies, but if you are storing coordinating dies with stamps, stencils, and embossing folder, bundle them together in the 7.5 by 10.75 or the 9 by 11.5 storage pockets. For stencils, embossing folder, and embellishments, the new 6.5 by 8.5 storage pockets will perfectly hold your stencils and embossing folders. With the 4.5 by 6 storage pockets, you can easily store scrap papers, masks, die cuts, or even embellishments, which makes it perfect for crafting on the go. Here are my top tips for making the most out of your storage pockets. Tip 1. Label everything. Use a simple label maker or Altenew's ink and blending brush labels to quickly identify your products. Tip 2. Bundle by project or theme. Got a favorite holiday set or go-to floral and foliage combo? Store them together in 7.5 by 10.75 storage pockets or the 9 by 11.5 ones for easy access. Tip 3. Store vertically. File your pockets upright in a bin or a magazine holder. It's a space saver and makes flipping through your collection a breeze. Crafting should be joyful and not a treasure hunt through clutter. With Altenew storage pocket, everything in place, your creativity can flow. Ready to find your perfect pocket? Click the link in the description box to explore all sizes and transform your craft space today.
Loved watching this video. There is more where that came from here on the Altenew official YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss out on any of the crafty fun. See you soon and happy crafting.